How to pair the Pro 4 True Wireless headset earphones to a Samsung Android phone. And let's get started. So you probably got these from the TWS site or any other site that sells these here, and you want to be able to connect them to your Android phone. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure they have some battery life inside of them so that when they go into pairing mode, they stay in pairing mode and actually connect. Now, as you open up the case lid itself with these inside of it here, you will either see a green light, meaning it's fully charged, or you will see a blue light, meaning that it's currently charging and on, ready to use. But to get them to show up on your phone, you want to make sure one of them are blinking in the blue blinking light. And if you open up the case lid and it doesn't do that, simply just take them both out of the case like this here, and you'll notice one side will start blinking and then the other side will start to blink, which is this one here. So the one on the right here should stay in the blinking mode, which is the main earphone, and that's in the pairing mode state. Okay, you can put them back in the case now, but just make sure it is still blinking. See how this one is still blinking? That's the pairing mode here. Okay, so now we'll head on to our Samsung phone here. Let's just make sure this doesn't close up the case. So keep the case lid open. Okay, and then on our Samsung phone here, we'll use the quick panel access, and we're going to look for the Bluetooth toggle. We'll long press it and then turn it on and make sure it's searching, and you're going to look for the one that says TWS. They're not going to show up as Pro 4s. So go ahead and tap on it one time. It's going to say pairing. You'll get the request here. Press the pair here, and it's going to say connected for calls and audio. Okay, notice how the volume appears here. You'll press the settings here and you'll have this right here. Okay, now if you made it to this part here, that means you're connected and the lights here will no longer be blinking. Okay, so once you take it out the case here, if they're still blinking here, that means you got only one side connected. Okay, so they will disconnect and then reconnect. Notice how they reconnected just now, and then you notice now there's no more blinking lights on any of them. Okay, so once it's like that, once it shows it's connected here, that means they are connected. Okay, so good to go. Like and sub, and thanks for watching.